Ditch the cord, ditch the hassle. We are talking about Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum that lets you clean like a boss. This powerhouse packs a punch with a detachable handheld mode for furniture and tight spaces, plus a fluffy floor head for hard surfaces. But wait, there is more. The V8 comes with a service tool for nooks and crannies and a hair screw tool that says sayonara to pet hair nightmares. Imagine gliding effortlessly around your home, cleaning high corners and under furniture without ever yanking on a cord. That's the V8 magic. It's lightweight and its powerful V8 motor offers up to 40 minutes of weight-free suction, allowing you to clean your entire home without interruption. So say goodbye to bulky vacuum cleaners and hello to the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It's the perfect choice for busy households looking for a superior cleaning solution. Happy shopping!